making my banana nut bread. Okay. It's almost ready for the bananas and the nuts, which I'll do by hand. I'm getting ready to add the bananas and the walnut. Pouring. Ready to put it in. I did my nuts and my bananas, and I'm ready to put them in. Sometimes it gets a little messy, but I'm getting it. I had enough to make another one. You gotta do what you gotta do. Got it on my hip, ready to pour. Okay. My daughter's gonna love this bowl when she comes up. All right, I'll show you what it's like when they're done. Look how beautiful my banana nut bread came out. Oh, beautiful. Just get ready to put it up here and call it a day. I am in awe of how my banana nut bread came out. That is excellent. Wow. And my neighbor makes a mean banana nut bread too. So she's either going to get one of these or get a mighty big piece. I can't wait to taste it, but that's it, folks. God is good. Thanks for watching. Okay, I just took my banana nut bread out of the containers. This is one. That's thick, buddy. Yes, this is one. I didn't dust it off yet. And this is the other one. I had so much left over. I didn't know I had enough for a whole loaf. This whole bowl was full. You can see this whole bowl was full. So there it is. I'll show you what it looks like when I cut. There is my banana nut bread. They came out beautiful. You can see I had a lot to pour out. Okay, this is what it looks like. The inside. Just want to let you know it's on and popping.